by adding random individual specks of electric diamonds in the night sky. So as we see, if we come up close, we've got some clusters of the electric diamonds to fill in these areas that are like small clusters. So fill those in, but aside from that, feel free to also place them on random black dark areas in the sky so that you have this look of a starry night with a lot of stars, both bigger stars and also smaller stars. Once again, for version 3 of Moonlight at Kyoto, we have auburn crystals for these orange branches as well as the orange leaves on top. And then we also have sapphire diamonds sprinkled on her dress. And finally, we have electric diamonds for the stars in the sky.